Hi folks, in this video we're going to be looking at the Tamiya Nissan R390 GT1. Welcome back to Gluesniff Garage. In this video today we're looking at the Tamiya Nissan R390 GT1. So let's have a wee look at the box. This is quite a big box, this one. Really nice artwork in the box. Pictures on the front there. Got your list of colours. Showing you some different decal options too. And the same in the back there. We've got the Unicea Jex XL decals. A very nice box. Just get it opened up and we'll take a wee look inside. Everything's still in its bags. Tyres, clear parts and window maskings, your decals here, and your instruction manual. I'll take these bags, get them opened up, and we'll take a look at the sprues a little bit closer. Right, so I've got everything out of the bags, so just have a wee look at what's inside them. First of all, you get your instruction manual there. It's quite a big kit. There's quite a lot to this. You've got your engine, lots of chassis parts to put together. Also got a separate sheet for your different decal options. And your paint. Next up we have the decals. So as you can see there's plenty of options. Got your 3 different cars that raced at Le Mans, so you can make whichever version that you like. Got your second decal sheet there, got your seat belts, various flags for your different drivers, and your different numbers. So the first sprue here we've got is the clear sprue. So you get your front and rear window glass, headlights there, the lenses for the front lower lights, and your rear lights there too. Next up we've got some bodywork. Got your rear shell there. rear lights, and your rear wing. Also got the dashboard there, mirrors, wipers, steering wheel, lower suspension arms, your turbo housings I think, tank there, fuel filler, window surrounds, vents. It's nice that the front section of the dash is separate, should make it slightly easier to paint. Your racing seats, pedals, more vents, and the brakes. Next sprue is your chrome pieces. So get your front headlights there. It's like a section of the exhaust. Mirrors. Very nice wheels. Staggered, so you've got your wider ones for the rear. Couple of radiators. Looks to be the intake for the engine. Next up we've got the black sprue. This sprue is pretty big. We've got your chassis there. Steering arms and axles. Looks like the rear of the cockpit. You've got some hoses moulded in there. It's very nice. Wheel hubs. More suspension pieces. Turn this round, take a look at the engine. It's the two halves of the V8 engine. So valve covers there. Looks like the front subframe. Cockpit there. More wiring moulded in. Massive turbo and your exhaust manifolds there. Suspension arms. Rear subframe, rear suspension. And some belts and pulleys there for the engine. Next up we've got the slick tyres. Nothing printed on them, very plain, but feel very nice. We've got some mesh here for going behind vents and grills and stuff. And we've got the main body here. Very nice moulding there. Sort of vents cut out at the side under the doors and stuff. A little bit of mould lines there, just so that was the Tamiya Nissan R390 GT1. Very nice kit. Comes in a really big box. not hundreds of parts, but still looks fairly detailed. It's nice that it comes with the engine, so it should be quite nice when it's all put together. Currently following a guy on Instagram, Zen Modelling, who's in the middle of building one of these, and he is doing an insane job. It looks amazing, the work that he's been putting in, so detailed. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, always appreciate a like and a subscribe. Always appreciate any comments, and I'll see you in a future video. Thanks, bye.